If you want to eject SIM tray on a Motorola Moto G87 in order to insert your SIM card, then in that case you want to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray over here. There is also this little hole right next to the SIM tray, so we need to use the SIM eject tool and put it into this hole so that we can eject the SIM tray, of course. Now once you put it in, just a little bit, the hole seems to be not that deep, then you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone in order to make it pop out slightly. There we go. Now of course you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone, and this is how the SIM tray looks like. There we go. So as you can see, we have the SIM card slot and the memory card slot as well. Now keep in mind that the micro SD card slot over here is not actually hybrid. Usually if we have a SIM tray that looks like this, it means that we can use either second SIM or memory card, but in this case this slot is only for the memory card, which means that we can use only one physical SIM card. So let's just insert the SIM card over here. And of course if you want to, and if you have one, you can insert the micro SD card as well. It goes in very easily. You just want to make sure that these cards are fully inserted. They should not stick out whatsoever. And this is the front, or this is actually the face. And we need to put it back in face up. So it goes in like this. Let's slide it in. You can of course just use your finger to push it into the phone, and just make sure that it is actually fully in. It should not stick out at all, the SIM tray from the phone, of course. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.